Now children, our next topic is Ohm's law. This topic is very important from exam point of view. The statement, the circuit diagram, VI graph, numericals, all are very important, so listen very carefully. Ohm's law, it states that when all the physical conditions remain constant, we will talk about physical conditions later, then the potential difference you all know, it is represented by V, across the ends of the conductor is directly proportional to the current flowing through the conductor. Okay. Mathematically, we will write V proportional to I, and we all know that when we replace proportionality with equal to, what we used to do? We used to multiply right hand side by a proportionality constant. And here when we will replace this proportionality sign with equal to, we will multiply right hand side with R, where R is called as proportionality constant and it is represented by, it is known as resistance, which is represented by R. So V is equal to IR, very important formula, so learn it by heart. Again we come to the statement. This line is very important children. When all the physical conditions are constant. Now what are these physical conditions? In the next video I will tell you what is resistance, and resistance of a wire, it depends on several factors which acts as the physical conditions. If you will change those physical conditions, what will happen? This R will change, and what we are supposing R as, we will taking it as a constant. So it will not remain a constant if you will change the physical conditions. So this line is very important. When all the physical conditions are kept constant, then only V is proportional to I, and then only V is equal to IR. That means only when the physical conditions are not changed, then only Ohm's law is valid. Otherwise your Ohm's law will not be valid. The physical conditions are, if you will, you can't change the length of the wire. If you will change the length of the wire, the resistance will change. We will not change the area of cross section of the wire. Area of cross section means this part. Okay, this is a wire, so area of cross section is this part. We will not change the temperature, and we will not change the material. That means if we are using copper wire, we will not replace it by any other material. So these four conditions are the physical conditions which we will not change while we are applying Ohm's law. So let us review the statement again. When the physical conditions are remain constant, then the potential difference, that is V, across the ends of the conductor is directly proportional to the current flowing through the conductor. Mathematically, V is proportional to I, and when we will replace this proportionality sign with equal to, we will write V is equal to IR, where R is the proportionality constant called as resistance.